Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look of the hair, and it is like almost a week later. Saturday, I finished my hair on Sunday. So this is what it looks like, and as y'all know, this is Model's Zoey braid. I just wanted to do something different, you know. I just came back from Florida, so yeah, I wanted to try this. It's Zoey braid. This is the straight version, and 14 inches. Very easy to install. This is about how much hair I have left over. I bought 3 packs, and they were $11.99 a pack, and then each pack has 3 bundles with 36 twists in a pack. So yeah, so this is just what it looks like. That's the loop. Very easy. I love loops that are like this. They're open, so you can work with it. And then this is just a curl. So it didn't look as full as I wanted it to look, so I did go in and get some I took some free tress water wave. I just added that, and that is how I got this look. So yeah, this is it. And then y'all know my braiding pattern I showed y'all. This is just how I did. The hair, it holds up really well. I went swimming with the hair. I went to a water park. All this water splashed on me. So this is definitely a good hair for vacation. Now the free tress water wave is a little messed up, and it got a little tangled, but I already knew that about water wave. So, but yeah, this isn't that much hair left out, so it's definitely safe to get wet, swim, do all that. I mean, it's just this little amount. And as y'all can see, my hair, it still looks good. It doesn't look bad. And I didn't add a whole lot of the free tress water wave. I just wanted to make it look fuller. So yeah, very easy to install. I highly recommend it. I will not be doing a review. This is all in one. This is what y'all gonna get. I got it in the color number 2, and then the color that y'all see is just that water wave. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite hair to wear on vacation? Mine is some type of braid or a twist. I always gotta have it, because you just get up and go. Like, I fix my edges, but that's it. I don't gotta be brushing it up, putting it in a, nope, none of that. But all right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace.